Meet Jaquan Moultrie, a name that resonates with determination in the world of affiliate marketing. Jaquan's journey began on a humble note. He faced challenges, experienced failures, but never let his spirit waver. He learned, he grew, and he triumphed. His persistence paid off when he earned over $382 in commissions alone. But Jaquan knows this is just the beginning. His eyes are set on a larger goal, a goal to make $10,000 in a single month. He's ready to take massive action, ready to hustle, ready to break barriers, and he's not alone. Jaquan believes in the power of collective growth and invites you to join him on this exciting journey. He's ready to take on the world, are you? Jaquan's journey is just beginning and he invites you to take the first step alongside him. Are you ready to dive in? So, what exactly is this affiliate marketing that Jaquan is so passionate about? Well, let's dive into it. Imagine you're attending a party and you absolutely love the pizza served there. You find out who made it and start recommending it to your friends. In return, the pizza place gives you a slice for every new customer you bring in. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where companies reward individuals, known as affiliates, for each visitor or customer brought by their own marketing efforts. It's a win-win situation for both the businesses and the marketers. The businesses get more customers, and the marketers earn money for their efforts. Let's break it down a bit further. The process starts with you becoming an affiliate for a company or a product. This can be anything, from a pizza place to a software company or even an online course. You're then given a unique affiliate link that tracks any sales that come through your recommendation. You might be wondering, how does this link work? It's quite simple. Whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This commission is a percentage of the sale price and varies from company to company. One of the key aspects of affiliate marketing is tracking sales. This is done through cookies, tiny pieces of data saved on a user's browser when they click your link. These cookies help the companies to track the origin of the sale and ensure you get your commission. Now, why is affiliate marketing beneficial? For starters, it allows you to earn money by promoting products you love and trust. It's also a flexible and cost-effective way to generate income. You don't need to create a product or handle customer service. Your job is simply to connect a buyer and a seller. Affiliate marketing, when done right, can open up a world of financial opportunities. It's a journey, but with effort and dedication, it can lead to impressive results. Now that you have a glimpse into Jaquan's journey and a beginner's understanding of affiliate marketing, what's next? Well, let's take a moment to revisit the key points. Jaquan Moultrie, starting from scratch, made over $382 in commissions alone. That might not sound like much, but it's just the beginning. He's on track to make his first $10,000 in a single month. How did he do it? Persistence, continuous learning, and massive action. He didn't wait for the perfect moment, he dove right in. And you can do the same. Affiliate marketing is a vast and exciting world, and it's ripe with opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. So what are you waiting for? More resources and a path to start your own journey in affiliate marketing are just a click away. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your journey in affiliate marketing starts today. Click the link below and join Jaquan on this exciting venture. The world of affiliate marketing awaits you.